Halo semuanya, perkenalkan nama saya Herambang Putra dari kelas Manajemen 22A dengan NPM 224111015. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang materi manajemen modal keuangan internasional. International Financial Management is a financial management on the scale of international finance strategy. The principles of international financial management are the same as the domestic financial management. The main scope of international financial management decision making include investment decision, funding decision, and dividend policy. The type of transaction handled in international financial management include exports, import, and foreign exchange market. Meanwhile, the scope of international finance management operation include foreign exchange market, foreign currencies, direct investment analysis, management of multinational companies, and international banking. International financial management is an important part of financial. As an international financial manager, the objective function is profit. Achieving that goal depends on several controls. Differences is current currency value, rising or falling currency value have a big impact on profit. The economic condition of the investor on security and the country where the investor will invest must be taken into account. Economic condition will influence the rise or fall in the value of the currency. Interest rates in each country are different. Investor can be invest money in foreign bank where the interest is higher. And inflation is also influenced by each country. Every investment has something called rise. How to maximize profit and minimize risk is the task. Hedging is carried out by two different markets. Speculation is carried out by one market, different times carrying transaction at the same time. For example, for speculation, an exporter export goods abroad. If the payment month in the future, that then will be a problem because the exchange rate in the next 2 months is different from current exchange rate. So how can you get maximum profit? That is take of international financial manager that we don't calculate the 2 months exchange rate forecast. International financial management include activity 1. Financial flows, namely capital inflows and loans. 2. Real flow, namely the inflow of the merchandise. 3. Cultural flow, namely the influence of science, technology, and pattern of thought and behavior. The essence of international financial management is the export of capital, culture, and merchandise from developed capitalist countries to developing countries. For developing countries, the presence of MNC is a form modern colonization brought about by the globalization process. Many scholars took the initiative to observe it. They say that globalization is human engineering. MNC was to dominate to economy, social, politics, and culture of developing country. Risk that might arise. Fluctuation is an influence or shock, for example, in the price of gas, and so on. For everything that can be seen on a graph, when an international company carries out business in a foreign country, a financial manager must consider fluctuating exchange rate, and this fluctuation give rise to rise, namely 1. Transaction rise in falling debt and receivable are assets in foreign currency. Buyers or borrowers can accelerate or delay or even change payment terms so that these risks are resolved. One type of hedging that can be done is preventing future risk, which is carried out in the foreign exchange market and involves a contract. Translation risk, which conquers losses or profit obtained from the remeasurement of the value of asset and liabilities, atau raise valuables and debt arising from investment abroad from one currency to another currency. However, behind it all, there are a few advantages, namely, number one, can take advantage of comparative advantage, two, transfer of science technology. One motivation in the forward market. Number one, hedging is an international financial manager attempt to reduce risk and protect value. Risk can arise from having different preference for its economic agent. With different risk condition, the manager can decide in current condition whatever to hedge or not. Hedging preference for high risk. Number one, not hedging preference for low risk if there are high risk conditions. How to hedge is a challenge for a manager. Risk can occur in money exchange rates and the gap between reality and expectation. Often, company forecast something different from the reality. Number two, speculation is about getting as big a profit as possible. There are two types of market business, namely real market and money market. The real market is where we can make a profit from selling goods. Example of selling goods, ATR. Money market is where we can profit from our own money, for example, depositing money into a bank. To exchange rate really influence profit because the money exchange fluctuates a lot. It is different every time, and it's very rise because I will sell something or make a deposit or abroad when the value of the country currency goes down. Investor will lose. About exchange, if fluctuates for different position, that they will be subject to different conditions if the exchange rate remains stable.